All right, Mike, let's go. 6:16 on Friday morning. We've got a dry start to the day. We've got clouds that are around, so when the sun does come up at 8:04, you will be looking at gray skies. It does appear for the majority of West Michigan. No rain, no snow, though, to be noticed through the daytime period. So we're keeping it quiet here on Friday, keeping it quiet for a number of hours on Saturday as well, but there will be some lake effect flurries and snow showers starting to generate late afternoon into the evening. And with temperatures a few degrees, if not several degrees above freezing on Saturday, some of that may come down in the form of rain or at least a mixture initially. That lake effect activity will start to transition to all snow showers through tomorrow night and early on Sunday morning. It won't last for a real long time, but as it does work on in, there could be a dusting, a coating, an inch, maybe somebody out there could get 2 inches. That typical northwest wind that provides those snow showers near Holland and then diving southeastward on that corridor towards Kalamazoo. Probably the best shot to get some light accumulations tomorrow night. Early week storm system, we'll talk more about that coming up. The prospect is still out there for a shovelable snow either here or to our south Monday into Tuesday. Temperatures right now, it's the middle 30s. Still that 41 though along the lakeshore in Muskegon. That's the warm spot. Cold air, yes, over Minnesota, western Wisconsin, but it's not the real estate that it's taking up as much as it was just a couple, 2-3 days ago. So much of that has moderated, the very bitterly cold air, or it's just retreated back into Canada. We've got south winds right now, not far from 10 miles per hour. So a little bit of a breeze, but nothing like we had there late morning and afternoon yesterday when some of those gusts got to 25 to 30, even 35 miles per hour at times. Therefore, wind chills knocked down from where the actual temperatures are, but only to around 30 degrees. We'll be sitting at 35, 36 degrees at 9 a.m., working our way back to around 40, maybe 41 by day's end. Winds are going to be light all day long. Big picture shows a strong system getting ready to move up the east coast. It's that big circulation around it that will be drawing down some colder air and northwest winds tomorrow afternoon, and eventually we'll pick up some moisture and throw it down in the form of scattered snow showers tomorrow night. I'm going off the Pacific Northwest coastline. This area of clouds that I'm pointing to, yes, that's the energy that may give us a winter storm nearby by Monday into Tuesday. Again, I say winter storm, it sounds ominous, but there's a lot of things that have to come together for a system of this magnitude to produce a large area of heavy snow, and there's still some large questions with regards to that. Some of these models just not developing the system as much, but keeping an eye on it because there are some indicators that would suggest that this may lift a little bit further northward. And this European model, which if you know anything about the weather over the past several years, typically one of the strongest models we've got, and that has come northward. That's not exactly a strong enough storm to produce many inches of snow, but you'll see as we go along here. This is tomorrow evening. Maybe a coating to an inch or so, again, especially to the south and the west of Grand Rapids, but there could be some slippery travel around. There's the system snow early next week. Could be a few inches, could be several inches, at least somewhere nearby. We'll have more on that to come. Temperatures 20s thereafter Tuesday, Wednesday.